Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Dear venerables, in the mountain Dhamma talk, today we are going to talk faith, how faith effective for the meditation field. Venerables or any meditators, how faith effective. In an earlier our talk, we had been explaining the mindfulness, how much mindfulness we have, how mindfulness bring up. When the mindfulness come up, what is the mental conditions? These things we had been explaining. Today we are going to talk about the faith. Faith, when the faith is there in the beginning, faith is growing up and faith well grown. What is the difference? What is the benefits? Basically, faith, we can start the work. We come to listen Dhamma, so we come to practice and we come to do other Dhamma works because of faith. Faith toward the Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha. We come to do these works. This is beginning faith. But that faith not enough for higher attainments. It is basic one. That faith is growing up. When the growing up period, faith bit is stable. The faith toward the Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha, and also teachings, more faith now. Means faith grown to the certain level. Later on, faith not changing toward the Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha and teaching, faith become more stable. Faith gradually grow up. So can see the conditions, different conditions, what are the benefits for us, can understand. So faith is growing factor, we call mental factor, growing factor, beginning until to the deepest level. So today we are going to talk about the faith. The faith factor is one of the factor of the mind. You know the mind got mental factors, 52 mental factors. Means 52 conditions, means 52 qualities, ingredients. That you know that if you take one leaf, if you make it the powders, various type powders, 100 type powders there inside. If you take one drop of blood, So various type blood there, 100 types bloods there in one drop of the blood. Same way, if you take one mind, various type mental factors. Those mental factors we give the name Chetasikas. Among these Chetasika, faith is one of the factor. Faith factor doing very big work in the mind. Generally we think, oh, faith is not necessary much. This kind of thinking we can have. But faith is doing very big work. Faith is doing very big work. You know, the faith, when the faith factor becomes stronger and stronger, mind get purified. All the dirty things go away from the mind. You know, the dirty water, if you mix up some oxygen, something valuable things, all the dirty is settled down, water become very clean water. Similarly, faith factor come to the mind. Faith factor make the mind clean from all the dust, all the dirt, all the evils. Because of faith now, mind more clear. Later, this clearance, faith factor together get brightness, mind get brightness. This brightness further develop, go up to the deeper concentrations. Now you understand, faith factor also can build up to the concentration level. Faithfully, you are training your mind, this faith factor becomes stronger. Beginning, mind get purified, later mind get brighter, later mind get the concentrations. So the faith is work with the two conditions. One is with the wisdom, one is without wisdom. Both valuable. With the wisdom, one is more valuable. Without wisdom also, at least without wisdom, if you have this life, present life, not support for attainment, but future, you can attain path fruition because of this faith. If faith and wisdom works together for present life, you can make your mind more and more purified, clear, brighter, later can go to the attainments. So faith can do very big things. So therefore that we have to understand faith level and we have to bring up faith factor. It is more valuable for the practice in life. Faith factor, that we know it is very important for the practice in life. Mind can get the brighter and also mind can get purified. You know the Anathapindika, that the great devotee of the Buddha who built the Jetavana monastery, when he was going to his sister's house, it is dark time, they had been preparing a dana for next day. Asked to whom, then the sister explained, for the Buddha and also Sangha. Then he wanted to go night time to the Buddha. His sister said, no, not now, tomorrow can meet the Buddha. Then he go to the upstairs and had been thinking of Buddha. He cannot sleep. Now thinking of Buddha and Buddha quality, when he was thinking, his mind got brighter. All the darkness disappeared. Then he come down. Then his thought already now dawn and already the sun brighter. Go up to the Lord Buddha place. But it is still not sunlight, mental brightness. Go to the Buddha, pay respect, listen some Dhamma, could attain stream entry. Because mind very purified time, mind much purified. On that time, mind well purified. Dhamma easily absorbed. So that understand faith is very important for mental purification, mental brightness and Dhamma absorption. When the faith is stronger time, when we are explaining these things, deeply understand. Faith weaker time, not easily understand. So because of the mental purity not enough. Mental purity is stronger, so Dhamma absorption also very good, Dhamma development also very good. So faith is very important. So now we understand how much level I have the faith, how much level I have to develop. So benefits of the faith we understand. So this way we increase our faith quality up to the deepest level. So then we can go to the deep attainments. Faith factor is very important. We can understand the level of faith ourselves, how much faith factor is there in my mind, how much I have to develop. So then we have to develop faithful object. We have to train. Immediate not grow up the faith. Temporarily can come up, but faith factor becomes stronger after some times, as like the mindful factor. Earlier we explained, mindful factor, when you are training, you feel immediately some mindfulness, but it becomes stronger after some times only. All the time mindfulness, after some times only. Same way, faith factor. When you are training, today faithful, but tomorrow cannot be. But again training, sometimes later, natural faithful. Because faith factor becomes stronger. So that we can remind earlier beginning period of ordination practice. We work very hard for the meditation training. Sometimes tension, difficulty. So sometimes mentally no happier, uncomfortable. So cannot do anything. So what can do is go to the pagoda or go to the empty place, talking to the Buddha only. That period, naturally, go to the Buddha and remind him Buddha's parami, how parami Buddha developed, that how difficulties he worked to fulfill his paramis. He developed his paramis for that compassion of us. So that this kind of things we had been talking to the Buddha, Buddha's quality and parami qualities, and after enlightenment, Buddha's duties. This kind of thing had been talking about 10-15 minutes together with some Pali also sometimes. So after 10-15 minutes, some little bit tearing also come because of thinking of Buddha and Buddha quality. So then go to the meditation place, all the difficulties disappear. Cannot imagine what had happened. That time we think, oh, we had been talking to the Buddha, sometimes use our word also talking. Maybe when I talking this thing, Deva had seen. That's why this thing had happened. We had been thinking because no experience. Later we understood this is faith factor doing is that maybe that is right things in that time, such a time it is right thing. Naturally we had been doing it. No one tell us to do, but naturally we feel if doing it, we done it, so then faith come up, then sitting very comfortable. But before this faith factor, weaker time, we try meditation, no comfortable. Now after faith factor, we feel meditation very comfortable. So like that, faith factor can do very big things, can convert our life completely. 10-15 minutes before, life is different. After 10-15 minutes, life is different because of the faith factor. So that faith is very important for a practicing life. So we had to understand how much faith level I have. Again had to train until strongest level. Then life become more and more comfortable, brighter and concentrations. The faith factor that we explain, our Aridhama Mahatera and Jinavansa Mahateras, they had been doing lot of Buddha Anusati meditations. Jinavansa Mahathera, when we pass his kuti all the time, we hearing, reciting Buddha quality, Arahang Samma Sambuddho Vidyacharana Sampanno Sugato Lokavido Anuttaro Purushadhamma Sarati Sattade Manussanam Buddho Bhagavati. Again, we hearing. Also counting, Bhante also counting with the counting bits. Aridam Bhante also same. Counting Buddha's quality. Bhante says, today I done this much, today I done this much, done 10,000, 15,000. Bhante is explaining. Beginning, because of our hindrances, we had been thinking, oh, teachers, why they practice the Buddha Anusati? Some other many good meditations there. Why teachers so practice Buddha Anusati? Other practice is more valuable than the Buddha Anusati? We had been thinking. Recollection of Buddha is less results, other practice is more results. We had been thinking, but it is our wrong view. Later, but we not criticize in mentally only. Later, the thinking, oh no, there should be some reason. We also had to investigate the why teachers doing it. We also had to investigate. Then I also got a counting bit and start counting. Maybe 1,000, 1,500, this kind of counting start. That period, less work for us, more relaxed. We have more time for meditations. We had been doing. Oh, then later understood. Big difference. When we had been doing it, mind more comfortable, more relaxed. Easy meditation practice, easy mental relaxation. Mind also awake all the time. So see the very big difference. Then we had been doing it, we understood teachers' training more valuable. Teachers actually doing other practice, but when he's free time, only doing these things. When he practice Anapana, he practice Anapana. When he practice Vipassana, he practice Vipassana. But when he free time, he not allowed to mind protect him from the defilements. Mind protect him from the unnecessary mentalities and also laziness. So that mind need a work. The work is Buddha Anusati, Buddha quality, so that life is comfortable. They feel very comfortable life. They know the results, that's why they had been doing. We also had to do some investigations. When our mind is developing time, not necessarily do anything. But when the mind not grow in time, we increase Buddha and Buddha quality and see the difference. Very comfortable. Body is comfortable, mind is comfortable, meditation is comfortable, all the works comfortable. Now we understand how Megura Bhante also, even night time, also going there to Bodhi tree and chanting, means Bhante also having good happiness over there because of faithful object and comfortable object, effortful object, have the happiness there. So that for us also we need to experiment those objects what do. Then meditation is easier and comfortable. So we have to train more and more this Buddha Anusati object when you have free time. But other time, main meditation object, if it is growing, not necessary do anything. But when you free time, bring up more Buddha Anusati is valuable for the life. So that last 2-3 days we had a Sima set up in Thailand, Pao Monastery, Pao branch there in near the Bangkok. So they invited a few of our Venerable, me and Venerable Jnanasiri and few Venerable. So also go there. Pao main branch, also many Venerable had come. All together we set up the Sima. This morning we come to the Navina. So that during our Sima setup period, one of the Venerable asked a question from another Venerable. That Venerable, new Venerable, he ordained in Thailand. Venerable, he asked, is that easy, the power meditation? How is it difficult? That Venerable answered, before doing the power meditations. We had been having the basic other meditation, Buddhanussati, and 32 parts, and also that traditional other meditations training. Because of that, power meditation was very easier. Venerable answered. So there you understand the meditation, any of the meditation very easier if the basement is good. Basement preparations is doing by these objects, faithful object, and also this effortful object is more valuable, mindful objects also valuable. Last Dhamma talks we explained. So faith is also very important. So we have to understand faith is basic level, all the time breaking, changing. Today faithfulness have, but tomorrow don't have. It is still not the best good level. But later on, faith is continue, all the time have, it's growing period. It's the Indriya period, a faculty period. So later on, faith becomes stable, not changing. Whatever the reason happen, not changing the faith becomes stable, it's Bala period. So faith also growing up to the highest level. Until that, his faith is growing. So we understand our level and we have to bring up the faith factor. So then life will become more and more valuable life. So we determine to develop this faith factor up to the deepest level. So that in the meantime we little bit sharing our merits. The last 4 days we had been having this Sima setup ceremony, and day before yesterday night evening we had completed all the works, and yesterday we left from the Thailand and come to the Sri Lanka. So there are Sangha 88 venerables gathered for Sima setup. So all the merits we share with the venerables. We wish all the venerables to fulfill this faith factor, fulfill these meditations, and experience the deeper brightness, mental purifications, and wish all the venerables fulfill all the practice and attain all the path, fruitions, and Nibbana.